Bulabog! Bulabog ano yun, kuya?
Bulabog mo sa...
Bulabog cake!
A few moments later.
Madagaw ka pa. My baby sleeping na.
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake, greatest mistake.
So magpapabraid po tayo ng buhok.
150 lahat ng braid.
Mas mura dito sa Puka Beach. Asan ako ate? Hair braid. Mas mura dito sa Puka Beach, guys. Di ba te? Dun sa tapat ng mga station, 300 yung rates nila. Dito sa Puka Beach, 150. Pag may kulay, 200. Perfect. Hi! Sexy yan.
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake, greatest mistake.
Hello, hello everyone! Welcome to Crocodile Island. Ano natin guys?
Ang dami isang, ayan o. Sobrang dami. Asa na si Emily? Ay, nalaglag ang cellphone. Asa si Emily?
Hello everyone! Ayaw niya talaga sa ano, sa sun. Don't cry. Don't cry. We're going to Two Seasons Boracay para mag-lay plunge. Waiting kami sa Two Seasons dahil naglakad yung ibang kasama namin. At may namumuong makulimlim na naman ang ulap. Wala na naman pong sunset na magaganap. Palagpas to ng grotto. Kaya yung grotto. Sobrang layo. Pepperoni. Carbonara. travel vlog. Naghahanap po kami ngayon ng makakainan ulit. Chori Burger. So tapos na kami kumain sa Two Seasons. Food trip today So kakain muna kami ng Chori Burger. Sikat na sikat. Welcome to Grotto Vista. Grotto.
A few moments later.
So ito daw po yung sikat na nagbebenta ng Chori Burger. Chori Burger. Nasa Station 1 siya. Katabi na bago mag-Astoria. Ito yung Chori Burger. Ginagamit nila na patty. Pero balon nilang Twin Manila, diba guys? So yung Chori Burger is 50 pesos only. With bun. Kuya, bakit tinawag na Chori Burger? Actually, isa siya. Siyempre, souvenir shop. Pero this time, wala tayong bibila ng souvenir. Kasi nabilan ko na sila dati. Yung mga cover ko dati nung nagtatrabaho ko. So, yung Coco Mama, nasa Station X daw. Yung pinantahan namin sa D-Mall, sarado guys. Sagod. Hindi ako satisfied sa mga kinain. So, naghahanap pa kami ng pwedeng bilan. So, tayo na lang natin dito sa area Jala. Let's try this. Let's try this matcha cheesecake and her cheesecake overload. Pwede na. Uhaw na uhaw ka. At crave na crave kasi milk tea. Sarap din. Hello, baby! Sky! Standby lang sa ilalim. Hindi na siya pwede mag-swimming kasi namumula na yung mukha niya. Going home. Waiting na lang sa room inspection. Bye, Barakan! Thank you, Hannah and Crystal Sands. Thank you. Nice dito, guys. Both, pero kailangan pa rin daw i-ready yung QR code and ID. Importante pa rin nadala yung QR code, guys. Nahanapin pa rin ang mga customer. Haggard. Now boarding, going back to Manila. Sobrang haggard dahil ang dami pasabay. Pasabay pa mo ng Calamansi Mapo. Baby! Hi! Going back to Manila. Uulan na naman. Tutok na naman yung baby. Hindi na naman makikita yung clouds. Yung sky pa.
For other seats in front of you, put your seat upright, fasten your seatbelt. Secure your table and keep your window shades open. All ports of electronic devices, systems or mobile phones are to be switched to flight mode as this will interfere with the aircraft navigational equipment.
Hindi tayo makakapag-mukbang ngayon dahil
masyadong are required to switch them off. Ensure that the batteries are removed and can stay free throughout the flight. Being informed, the charging of e-cigars is in the morning aircraft. Thank you.